Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Solana community. Really appreciate each and every one of you guys to come and support me on a day-to-day basis. Your support means the world to me. Continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates. So if we're looking at the overall markets right now, you are seeing a little bit of a pullback in some of these coins, and the reason as to why this is the case is because Bitcoin dominance did go up. And yes guys, today, as of March the 3rd, which of course is a Sunday, we did see Bitcoin pushing towards a new yearly high, believe it or not. Yes, the CME futures are closed on the weekends. And yes, we do tend to see more manipulation in the cryptocurrency markets than usual. So that's why it's so important to see how the overall price of Bitcoin was to react this weekend. And so far, it has done absolutely amazing. And I'm very optimistic that this upcoming week ahead of us, we will see 45K retested for the price of BTC. But if we're looking at the overall markets right now, you're seeing some coins that are up quite a bit. Of course, to be specific, we're seeing majority of the altcoins still carrying the momentum, because we are in a meme coin season right now. So I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say altcoins, I meant to say meme coins. But you are seeing Phantom breaking out after a while. So shout out to the Phantom holders, up 26.6% over the past 24 hours. But let's take a further look at Solana, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting in the upcoming days ahead of us. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, currently sitting at $128.82, we're down about 2.5% over the past 24 hours in BTC comparative. Market cap currently sitting at $57.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3.5 billion. So what we're seeing is, since the price of Solana has hit a new yearly high, the price of Solana has pretty much been ranging between that level. So as of now, we still need to see that permanent close above the 0.50 fib zone. But we need to realize one thing, and what we need to realize is the fact that that key resistance is so important, because it marks a 50% increase towards a new all-time high, guys. So it's really important. So I'm not even surprised that we're seeing a little bit of a battle going between that resistance. But there's a lot happening for the Solana ecosystem right now that should not be ignored. So let's waste no more time and take a look at that. But before I do get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So to be specific, as far as SPL tokens go, we're seeing Solana-based memes absolutely flying right now. Life-changing gains, literally life-changing gains are being made with certain meme coins on the Solana blockchain. WIF is one of the ones that have just gone absolutely mad. We're talking about thousands and thousands of percent in gains, and there's a lot of other there's a lot of other meme coins that are gaining a lot of traction. But speaking about the meme coins right now, this is what I want you guys to very focus on. What I'm trying to tell you is, right now there's so many meme coins launching on a day-to-day basis, and this is more to the newcomers coming into the space. Of course, the OGs kind of understand the risks associated to it, but the newcomers really need to realize not every of these meme coins that you're seeing launch are going to be performing like WIF, like Pepe, like Bonk. That's not going to happen. And hear from me, hear from someone that does this on a day-to-day basis. I'm trying to tell this to the newcomers coming into the space. What you don't want to be doing is putting your life savings into meme coins. You need to understand the risk factor involved with meme coins. And number two, obviously do your due diligence and research. Because like I said, 99% of these meme coins are launched out of thin air. Number one, they don't bring any utility. And number two, it's one or two persons that are actually controlling the entire supply, and they can dump on the holder. So very risky, and be cautious. But if you're looking at the overall DeFi, it's continuing to climb. We're almost reaching 2.6 billion in total value locked on the Solana DeFi. This is absolutely amazing, and of course you guys know the importance of that. And yeah, just absolutely mind-blowing to see how far the overall DeFi has come literally over the last 3 to 4 months. Absolutely amazing to see. But now if we're looking at BTC right now, you know, Bitcoin, like I said, did hit a new yearly high at $64,300. You know, the next key resistance is at 64,820, which I think at this point we could, you know, reach in the upcoming week. You know, obviously we're starting Monday, so you know it's going to be really, really important to see how BTC reacts, because if Bitcoin is able to turn this resistance into support, I am expecting that we will see all-time highs being retested this month, this exact month. And if you want to learn how far we are from an all-time high for BTC, you know, we're only about 9.2% away for Bitcoin to officially break out of the 23.6 fib zone. Obviously, do expect a little bit of resistance, you know, at these key resistance levels, but you know, main thing is that, you know, Bitcoin is on its way towards a new all-time high. Absolutely amazing to even think about, and honestly it's just super hard to believe itself. But you know, this is the power of ETFs. This is the power of Wall Street coming in. This is the power of billions of dollars flowing into the crypto space right now. The demand is extremely high for Bitcoin ETFs specifically. You know, now people can easily get exposure into Bitcoin. You don't need to create a wallet. You don't need to create 10 different accounts. You don't need to do KYC. You can just go to your bank or your and you know, just buy an ETF, and you have exposure to Bitcoin. And you know, this is where things get exciting, right? And this is where other opportunities are also possible, such as seeing an Ethereum ETF, such as seeing an Avalanche ETF, you know, Solana ETF. And I think we will come to a time where you start seeing these other ETFs being launched. But what you're looking at the price of Solana currently doing is, like I said earlier in this update, you know, we're seeing a few rejections at the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. You know, pretty much 4 to 5 rejections at that point, which is totally normal. Like I said, this is a key resistance, because once the price enters here, I think we are off towards our all-time high targets. Because you know, I think the price of Solana could move up really fast right now. And on top of that, what we're seeing happening right now is that meme coins have majority of the momentum. So you know, that is also something we need to keep very close in our mind. But the fact that, you know, we're sitting right at that resistance itself speaks for itself, and should give you an indication why this line that I have drawn, this trend line, is so important. So you know, that's how I'm currently taking a look at it. But in the upcoming, you know, days ahead of us, if you know, Solana is able to push back into the 0.50 fib zone and actually close above there, I think we could be pushing up to the next key level at $150 per Solana, which would be absolutely mind-boggling. So you know, anyone that's going to come out and hate right now, I hope you guys take a look at where Sol was just on the 23rd of you know, January. At $79, and around this time, you know, when we were seeing that cool off, because you know, Bitcoin was you know, closing the CME gap, you know, we were seeing some people come in and talking about, you know, $8 Solana. Like those days are gone. And yeah, some people win, some people lose. That's just how the market goes. You know, you cannot have a winner's market only. That's just not how things work. But overall, things are looking absolutely amazing. Loving what I'm seeing, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And with that being said, that is all for today's update. I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.